Solving a quadratic equation. First question, x square plus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. We know the theory of quadratic equation of general formula, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We know x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided 2a. Just we will implement this formula in here. So look here, a equals to 1, b equals to 3 and c equals to minus 10. Why? Look, x square here coefficient is a, therefore this is x square, but here is no coefficient, it means 1. And similar, here is plus c, here is minus 10, it means c equals to minus 10. And bx, x, x and coefficient is 3. Okay. Now x equals to, the theory is minus b means minus 3 plus minus root b square, it means 3 square minus 4ac, 4a means 1 and c means minus 10, right? Divide 2a, 2 times 1. Okay. Now look, this is minus 3, then plus minus root 3 square means 9, and here minus and minus plus, 4 times 10 is a 40, divide 2. Okay. Then minus 3 plus minus root over 9 plus 40 is a 49, and here is 2. So we get minus 3 plus minus, here is 49 square root, it means 7, divide 2. So what will be the answer? If positive, or we can say plus, then x equals to minus 3 plus 7 divide 2, it means minus 3 plus 7, it means 4 divide 2, result is 2. Similar, if minus, that case x equals to minus 3 and this plus minus will become minus 7 divide 2. So minus 3 minus 7, it means minus 10 divide 2, the result is minus 5. Okay. So we can say x equals to minus 5 or 2. Okay. Very easy. We did ourselves. Now number 41, it means second question of this video. The question is x square plus x minus 12 equals to 0. We will implement in here. So here similar, a equals to just 1, b equals to also 1 and c equals to minus 12. So x equal minus b, it means 1, plus minus root b square means 1 square, minus 4a means 1, c means what? Minus 12, right? And then divide 2a, 2 times 1, minus 1 plus minus 1 square means 1, minus and minus plus, 4 times 12 is a 48, divide 2. Okay. Then minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 48, it means root 49, here is 2. Then minus 1 plus minus root 49, it means 7, divide 2. So if positive, x equals to minus 1 plus 7 divide 2, so 6 divide 2, the result is 3. Again, if minus, x equals to minus 1 minus 7 divide 2, minus 1 and minus 7 means minus 8 divide 2, result is 4 but minus 4. Okay, so x equals to minus 4 or 3. Okay, this is our answer. So very simple. 40 and 41 done. Now our last question of this video. This one done, this one done. So x square plus 2x minus 24 equals to 0. So this case here x equals to 1, sorry, a equals to 1, b equals to 2 and c equals to minus 24. So x equals to, theory is minus b, so minus b means minus 2, then plus minus root over b square, it means 2 square, minus 4ac, 4, a means 1 and c means minus 24, right? Divide 2a, 2 times 1. Then minus 2 plus minus 2 square means 4, minus and minus it will become plus. 24 times 4 is a 96. Divide 2. Why 2? Because 2 times 1 is a 2. Now minus 2 plus minus 4 plus 96 is a 100. Divide 2. Now look, here is minus 2 plus minus then 10. 100 square means 10. Divide 2. Now you can write if plus x equals to minus 2 plus 10 divide 2, it means minus 2 plus 10, it means 8 divide 2, the result is 4. If minus, then x equals to minus 2 minus 10 divide 2, then minus 2 and minus 10 is a minus 12, 2, so result is minus 6. Okay, so we can say x equals to minus 6 or 4. Okay, so no more today. We are trying to solve quadratic equation in general formula 3 math, which is very important for examination, especially IGCSE or SAT. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and if you have any question, please write a line in the comments box. Thank you.